Hi, I'm Paul Carini, Division President of Dash Home Loans, here to explain the process you'll go through to get home financing with Dash. The first thing you'll notice is that our process is very different from other lenders in the industry. What makes the Dash Home Loan process different? We aren't going to show you pictures of daisies and tulips and force feed you corporate jargon about why getting a home loan is fun. It isn't. Buying a home is fun. Getting a home loan typically is not. Getting a home loan sucks. It's stressful, complicated, and riskier than many people know. Why? Because to get a home loan, you're typically dealing with far more people than you ever actually meet. Unqualified people at that. The average home loan process goes something like this. You submit an application and talk to a loan officer who handles your submission. They're great at sales and horrible at numbers. But remember, they're great at sales, so you don't know they're not great at numbers. He's super busy and has tons of other sales to make. Yeah, you're good, he says. Go buy a house. A common phrase among loan officers is, let's throw it against the wall and see if it sticks. Your loan officer says there's good, so you buy a house. Or at least you go under contract on one. Now you realize the fun has just begun. You spend money on inspections and appraisals, due diligence money and earnest money. Heck, you may even sell your house if you already own one. I mean, the loan officer said you're good. Let's go! Your loan officer now dumps you off on a loan processor who is responsible for actually doing what the loan officer promised. This loan processor knows little to nothing about actually qualifying for a loan. They're just there to collect your documents and pass them on to an underwriter. Sometimes they're nice to talk to. Mostly, they're not. I mean, the mortgage company already has you on the hook at this point, so who really cares? The underwriter looks at the file and decides whether or not you get a loan. Wait, so the loan officer doesn't make these decisions? Nope. And guess what? The underwriter doesn't see it the same way the loan officer did. Whoops, what about my money? Typically it's gone, and the lender has some pretty great fine print that lets them off the hook. That's the typical home loan process. But we have some good news. That's not the process you're stuck with. Dash makes the home loan process work better and suck less for you. We simplify and streamline the process so you can get to your new home faster with less stress. Dash removes the middleman from your home loan. That means you can forget the processors. They're out. One highly trained numbers expert, your mortgage coach, takes you directly to the decision makers from application to close. This eliminates miscommunication, streamlines your experience, and gives our employees the power to go to bat for you. Then we guarantee your loan so you can make your strongest offer on the home you really want. The Dash process looks something like this. You submit an application on our state-of-the-art software, which analyzes your responses and customizes your experience on the fly. A Dash mortgage coach with experience navigating loan roadblocks will get in touch to discuss details. Your mortgage coach completely pre-underwrites the file, so there's no miscommunication. You know what you're qualified for. Guaranteed. Your mortgage coach delivers a pre-approval letter with a Dash Home Loans guarantee, if you qualify. Dash's process has fewer steps, less stress, and no surprises. You have one contact from start to finish, so you don't need to continuously retell your story. A Dash mortgage coach pre-qualifies you and stays with you until you close. They advocate for you, so you're more likely to get an approval. Dash guarantees your loan, so you can make your strongest offer without the fear that financing will fall through. But Dash isn't just about creating a better mortgage process. It's about supporting you during one of the most exciting and stressful times in your life. That's why we don't just qualify you for a loan. We give you peace of mind that your loan will close with a Dash Home Loans guarantee. If you don't, $5,000 to you, $5,000 to the seller. Want to see if you qualify? You have nothing to lose. Zero commitment, zero fees. Dash it and own it.